An all-party meeting of the Mda 2.0 government was held today, the 18th of May 2023, where the roster system formed the main topic of discussion. After the meeting, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, had interacted with news reporters on the implementation in letter and spirit of the reservation policy. On the roster system, Conrad Sangma said that its significance lies in the allocation of jobs to a particular community as per indication in a particular position.
We have given the same presentation today to the MLAs of the MDA, and of course, as I mentioned earlier, also that the entire concept of roster system is complicated in nature, and hence they had a lot of queries, and we have tried to clarify as much as possible, and to a large extent they have been able to grasp the points, and whatever queries they had, we have tried to clarify those queries. So roster point will depend on the cadre size. So then some it will be a 10-point roster, some points it will be 20-point roster, some cadres it will be 100-point roster. In some concerns, some areas it will be even a 200+ point cadre roster system. So that's why every cadre and the strength of the cadre will determine the roster points. And it's a simple formula that's been followed. I've been telling everybody now, for example, I can't explain this if I don't have a chart, but as I said, if position number 4, say suppose was meant for a Khasi community, position number 5 was meant for Garo community, position number 6 was meant for Khasi community. Just be with me. So 4, 5 and 6. 4 for Khasis, 5 for Garos and 6 for Khasi. Now suppose we have reached point number 3 and there are 3 posts going to be identified. The advertisement will say 2 posts for Khasis, 1 for Garo. Now tomorrow somebody can come and tell me, well, why are they getting more? Because that's what the roster is. That's what the system is. It puts into place certain points that are there, which are meant for certain communities, and that's how it happens. There is no advantage to any person. It is just that when reservation is there, a roster has to be there. It is what is mandated by Government of India and Supreme Court. And hence, Meghalaya should have implemented the roster system from day one. Because as I said, the roster system allows a particular post which is meant for a certain community to go to that community. So as I said, now try to be with me out here and I'll try to explain to you. If the other scheduled tribes and other scheduled castes which have 5% reservation, if you look at a 100-point roster, 5% means 5 posts will go to them in 100 posts. Are you with me? So 5 posts will go in 100 posts, 5 posts will go to other tribes and other scheduled tribes and other scheduled caste. Which means every 20th post, post number 20, post number 40, post number 60, and post number 80 and post number 100 will be for other scheduled tribes and other scheduled caste. Now, if the roster system is not present, we will keep repeating 40, 40, 15, 20, and it will keep going in the system. Now, tomorrow, if we have finished 19 recruitments and there is 1 post that comes out for the 20th one and said 1 post, what will that advertisement say? It will say 1 LDA post for other scheduled tribe and other scheduled caste. It will not say Khasi, it will not say Garo, it will not say UR. Because it is meant, the roster has set a system and a schedule for the other scheduled caste or tribe to get that post on the 20th post that comes out. That is what roster is. So it's not meant to give any benefit to anybody. It is meant to ensure that reservation policy is implemented in letter and spirit. That is what it is.